Hi, this is Susan with Cisco-Eagle. Welcome to Shoptalk. ZoneSafe is a highly customizable safety system that warns forklift and other heavy equipment drivers when pedestrians are close by and in potential danger. When it detects pedestrians in the zone, ZoneSafe uses audible alarms and flashing lights to help get the driver's attention. The RFID tag is worn by anyone who works in and around the protected area. It's easy to place it on a jacket, clip it to a shirt, or hang it from a lanyard. You can even put it in your pocket. A detection antenna creates a 3 to 9 meter detection zone around the vehicle. Anyone wearing an active RFID tag will be identified when they enter the detection zone. The in-cab control unit is fitted within reach of the vehicle's operator. An audible visual alarm alerts the driver every time anyone wearing an active RFID tag enters the detection zone. ZoneSafe tags do not require line of sight and will be detected regardless of obstructions, blind spots, or poor visibility. ZoneSafe systems provide 360-degree detection, single or multiple detection zones, 3 to 9 meter detection range, detection regardless of obstruction, event data, and logging. Thank you for watching Shop Talk. Visit Cisco-Eagle.com for more information.